red lights on.
Check it out.
Yeah.
It's the locally known, never vocally cloned. T-Cell family, and actually I'm far from home. If you don't already know, that's the city that's cold. 9 months of the year and it never gets old. We vibe to our own style in the TC. Not too many like us, we're a valuable species. A bunch of monkeys in this jungle, head in your feces. Ain't no suckers in my circle, keeping it weed free. Deeply, I feel like I owe you my debauchery. Bitches always mocking me, the same ones that are stalking me. Ain't nobody stopping me from living with hypocrisy. A joint a day is T-Cell's way to keep himself doctor-free. Obviously, he's not somebody you should trust to babysit some ladies' kids. I go and find a pair of ladies' digs and teach your kids to scratch and sniff. B&E. Not a role model and I won't even pretend to be, but if you got a second of your time, then you should lend to me. I tell you a bunch of stories about all my crazy friends and me, and things that piss me off, and tell you jokes about my enemies. Jealousy never flowed through my veins. I throw salt to no game. I never judge by name. I never asked for fame. I never gave a fuck about it, but if it's gonna benefit me, then I'll allow it.
I'm doing what I do best, don't tell it what I'll do next. I'm ruthless, doing it up to the day that I'm gray and I'm toothless. What I do is more than just a method to pursue checks. A way of life, saying there's no way I might choose less. Saying night to late at night, I flip open the page and write shit that may entice. Music to it cause it saved my life. So I'm doing it up to the depth of me, cooking up lyrical recipes till there ain't anything left in me. You best believe it's more than just a specialty. Unadulterated ecstasy, feeling like sex to me. Love it immeasurably, can get enough ugly breath to me. Because of it I got a stress release. If you don't love it, suck on my testicles. Mentally, my will's invisible, killer with syllables, scribble at minimum set to beat. Don't past MCs, individual ranking beats obsessively. Spending my energy endlessly, it's meant to be like destiny until I rest in peace.
I displace wind like earthquakes do Haitians. No basement that you can be safe in. Ripping apart the foundations. EFI when I'm alive and I'm alive. 1,000 fires tonight. Keep it a ride, cause can't be fighting this chitinous. Rhyme writing this tightness, spot is biting the fist. Fighting for existence, like it or not, there's more to this. The morbid images, the moment I pick them up and my purpose comes definitive. Minutes and inches begin to stretch beyond the limits. And the fear and the minutes submit to my volition. The essence of my spirit, lyrics adhere its appearance. Searing satirical serums, chaos in the theater. Madness near a completion, reaching the zenith. Dependent upon my independence, like in the chair of a sadist dentist. You've been rendered defensive by my infectious confessions. And whether you learn a lesson or miss the message couldn't matter less to me while I'm sowing the fetid seeds of dissension.
You don't have to know why we so ill with no chill. You remind me of roadkill off a 4-wheel. Suckers over the hill. You don't hold skill cause we do. We coming from them C-notes. You can peep the product that needs no introduction. We're not frontin' pretending like we're the only people hustling. But once I started to wise up to all your lies, I would write books of rhymes, leaving you with a concussion. Yo, cut the shit before we bust your lip for the fuck of it. I'm getting tired of a redundant son of a bitch. So what you coming with? Some nothing tomfoolery. You new kids be killing me, sitting soft and giggly. I stomp on your so-called 16s to your own beat to add insult to injury. For biting my steeds and my ear trees. This will be an ease in my seat. Compete when we next on the scene.